Hello guys, in today's video tutorial I would like to show you how to minimize the shaking gesture from your hand when you record just by using Google Photo Tools. The way how you to do it is open your Google Photos and then you can click the video that you want to minimize the shaking movement. For example, I would like to try this video. You can see that has a lot of shaking movement, and to fix it, click the edit button down there, and after that click the stabilize button here and wait for a moment, and you can see the results now. The video is not have that much of shaking movement because the tools that Google Photo have in the application, and that's how the way to minimize the movement of your camera by using Google Photo Tools. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.